this I want me likes it. Them things here I likes it. I'm gonna just kick it off with the Popcaan and Chi-Ching-Ching. Them unite back my viewers subscribers. So you know Popcaan and Chi-Ching-Ching, if for all who don't know, they had some beef back then about 3 years ago, you know, where they just went their separate ways, and we never really see back them apart, and we that one that we really are going. It was alleged or was said that watch you know, Popcaan teach Chi-Ching-Ching hook them, and I take credit for all of them, and all of a sudden him start do this and him start do that, and Popcaan bad man and all of these things. So it kind of cause of vibes, and the two man them just got them separate ways. Now my viewers subscribers, we see Chi-Ching-Ching make a post on him Instagram page with him and Popcaan, and but they look at me and say, but yeah man, this is a recent picture, and me did for come talk about this the info yesterday, but me never get the time, and me think more shed some light on it, because we kind of like see them things here. Unity is strength. We love see them things here. We even see where Bounty Killer commented under the post and say only the loyal is royal, which really and truly I really talk. We like see them things here, and you see it as what people don't know. You see what kind of really mash up dancehall now is the whole thing where the artists them have against each other. What we don't call it now, the egocentric behavior, man and man no deal, and man a care feelings, all them things here kind of cause a vibes in the dancehall arena, which that are the reason why it go backwards. My viewers subscribers, so this is actually a good look, a good look. Now Chi-Ching-Ching and Popcaan reunite. We could see what really happen between them two here, because as I said, Maria Chi-Ching-Ching is a vibes man. He have a good song as well. Is it Popcaan now is in high demand after him dropping fixed tape. A big things are going for Popcaan right now. And telling you truth, my viewers subscribers, sorry, all the people don't know say Popcaan is Jamaica poster boy. You see it right now, it's argued that Popcaan is the man for Jamaica. Him, when you talk about dancehall from an international perspective or level, first person come to mind, Popcaan. First person come to mind is Popcaan, and we can argue about that, you see it, but me just know that, that's a fact. You see it, so we can't take none away from Popcaan, because him do him time, him do it, you see it, and him put in the work area. So we can't say nothing about that. But it's a good look for see the two of them, they back, punch up, you see it, reunite, and we just want to see what really gonna be the outcome of this, because as me say, back then when them used to par, a crazy vibe. Chi-Ching-Ching and Popcaan, trouble. You know there's something there go. Some of your subscribers, good look. More no mind, more artists we have beef right now can reunite and still keep the rivalry. Cause at Deso dancehall, dancehall is all about rivalry and competition. But the unity needs to be the same way. No man if you're pre the man and all of them things here. So they need to fix that, my viewer subscribers. But watch ya now. Watch ya. Make we move on to the topic where a whole heap of people want to talk about. Cause guess what? It is now at the ending of 2020, and man, to tell you the truth, my viewer subscribers, it's arguable that 2020 has so far been the roughest year a whole heap we have ever experienced in our entire life. You see, we can't argue about that. So watch you know, dancehall, and we come talk about dancehall, we talk facts. You see it, we no bias. Some of your subscribers, if we for really and truly talk about who dominated 2020 currently right now, because 2020 is still not finished, even though we have a few days remaining. But if we talk who really dominate 2020, who come to the mind? You see it? I'm wanting to just pause the video and just drop the comments them in the comment section below. Who really come to the mind if we talk about who dominated 2020? Pause the video, drop the comments them in the comment section below. You see me? Go to some time to do it. Yeah man. Alright. So people, let me tell you what me think. You see it? So if you say yo, or give my opinion, because remember it's not factual, because I do not have any statistical evidence. You know, it's just based off how we see and the trend and how the people them react to the music them. You see me? Some of you are subscribers, but I don't want to hear me say one specific artist, but two artists come to mind. Yeah man, two artists come to mind. You see it? Skilibeng and Intence. Yeah, on the surprise? No man. Skilibeng and Intence, me nah gonna lie, if me for pick who dominated this year, it would be between them two man here, because to tell the truth, throughout 2020, these two artists have been consistent. You see, and not only consistent, because we've seen other artists who have been consistent, you know, Vibes Cartel, just get me, only part of artists. But not only are these two artists, Skilibeng and Intence, consistent with the music, every time them follow up with a song, it hit. You see me, it left a big impact. So that are the thing why I have to say consistent for them two artists here. The song that them drop back to back hit the market, it shake the people them. You see it? It's not like a case where them we drop a song right now, this one here hit and next one them drop just wash away and then you hear about it. Different thing between them two artists here. The man them drop a song, then the man them follow up with the next song, and the people them love it. Right now, anywhere you're going to Jamaica right now, any party, if the party now will to keep, and Skilibeng and Intence playing a dance, them will get the most forward. For them song get the most pull up. You get me? And we not biased, we are based on how we see, because we're in the streets and we know the thing. You get me? I mean, my viewers, subscribers, if you see something different, then sure, me and people are say, yo, yeah, you know, all client of the year, yeah, you know, Vibes Cartel of the year, yeah, fine, that's full opinion. But based off of what me see, I know a whole heap of people can actually say this. You see me? Intence and Skilibeng put in the work this year, and them are the two artists who dominate 2020. However, if you're looking from a statistical standpoint, you might get next artist. You get me? If you're looking from a statistical standpoint, because how them do this thing nowadays, you know, for favorite artist is vote, you see it, and more who have the most stream right across most of the media platform them, streaming platform them should say, you know. So if you're looking from that standpoint, you probably get next artist. But for the people them, you get me, and from looking at it from the people them and who shake the place the most from the year start and they consistent with the music, banger after banger, it's between Skilibeng and Intence. These are the two artists who I think are see who dominated 2020, my viewers, subscribers. You get me? But you know what I want to do? I want to drop it in the comment section below. Who believe dominate 2020? You see, because it's a topic where a whole heap we're gonna have it more frequently now going into the new year. You get me? I'm gonna do a follow-up video upon this. So more here, one off say. You see, comment in the comment section below. Until next time, just vibes. I'm out.